If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. To create a credit memo in QuickBooks Online, click the plus new button in the navigation bar and then select the credit memo command under the customer's heading to open the credit memo window. You use this form like you use the invoice form. First, select a customer from the Customer dropdown. Their email appears in the email field to the right if one was entered. To send it later if desired, check the Send Later checkbox. To add CC or BCC emails if needed, click the CC/BCC link by the email field, enter the addresses into the menu that appears, and then click the Done button in the menu. Select the credit memo's date from the Credit Memo Date field. The credit memo's number appears in the Credit Memo Number field, and you can change it if you enabled custom transaction numbers in your company file's settings. If classes are assigned per transaction or locations are enabled, you can use the Class and Location dropdowns that then appear at the right side of this form to select your desired choices. To add a tag to this transaction if desired, click into the Tags field and then select a tag from the menu of tag choices. Repeat as needed to apply tags from any relevant tag groups you have created. Alternatively, to add a new tag, type the tag's name, select it from the Add choice in the drop-down menu, and follow the on-screen prompts to add a new tag group for reporting purposes. Next, click into the Product Service column in the Line Items section to select the products or services for which the customer is being credited, and enter the associated line item's return information. Alternatively, to create a new general credit line item, select the Add New choice from the Product Service dropdown, and then create it in the Product Service information pane that then appears. Take care, if creating a general credit, to select the correct income account and set its correct taxable setting. The total credit shown towards the lower right corner of the window shows the total credit amount. When finished, save the credit memo by using either the Print or Preview command, or by selecting a choice from the Save and Send drop-down button in the toolbar at the bottom of the window. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.